Hey everyone, you're sitting at a coffee shop, scrolling through your social media. Suddenly, a sponsored ad pops up for a sleek, minimalist card. It promises no fees, instant notifications, and a user-friendly app. Intrigued, you click on the link and find yourself on the Monzo website. That's exactly what happened to me. Hook. So, I'm here today to answer the burning question, how much does a Monzo card actually cost? Let's dive in. Context. Before we get into the numbers, let's quickly understand what Monzo is. It's a UK-based digital bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, savings accounts, and mortgages. They're known for their innovative approach, focusing on a seamless digital experience. The cost breakdown. Now, let's get to the main event. The short answer is, Monzo cards are free. That's right, you don't have to pay a penny to get one. It's a fantastic way to start your journey with Monzo without any financial commitment. But wait, there's a catch. While the card itself is free, there are a few things to consider. Monthly fees. Monzo offers different account types, and some of them might have monthly fees. These fees vary depending on the features and benefits you choose. So, if you're looking for a completely fee-free account, make sure to check the specific terms and conditions for the one you're interested in. Foreign transaction fees. If you plan to use your Monzo card abroad, be aware that you might incur foreign transaction fees. These fees are typically calculated as a percentage of the transaction amount, plus a fixed fee. It's always a good idea to check Monzo's website for the latest rates and fees. ATM fees. While Monzo doesn't charge you for using their own ATMs, you might face fees when using ATMs from other banks. These fees can vary depending on the bank and location. Additional costs and considerations. Beyond the card itself, there are a few other factors to consider. Overdraft fees. If you overdraw your account, Monzo might charge you an overdraft fee. The amount of the fee will depend on your account type and the amount you overdraw. Late payment fees. If you miss a payment on a loan or credit product, you might be subject to a late payment fee. Lost or stolen card fees. If your card is lost or stolen, Monzo might charge you a fee to replace it. Conclusion. So, to recap, while the Monzo card itself is free, there are additional costs to be aware of. It's essential to carefully review the terms and conditions of your chosen account type to understand the full picture. Ultimately, the decision of whether a Monzo card is right for you depends on your individual financial needs and goals. If you're looking for a convenient, digital-first banking solution with no upfront costs, Monzo could be a great option. Closing. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.